Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great weekend. I'm super excited to be sharing some new dies that I received from Scrap Diva Designs. Thank you so much, Erica. So she sent me a lot of her new dies from her shop, and they're just really nice quality, and I love the designs and the size on these, just everything. So let me go through the dies really quick. This one here is a really fun retro telephone die set. It comes with the solid telephone shape and then the outline here to create a shaker if you like. So there's that one, really cute. And then she sent me this one. I think this one is like a must-have for Easter. It's the bunny tail bag topper, and it comes in two sizes. This is the larger size here, and then this is the smaller one. And then it comes with little paw prints in both sizes, and this one up here says Happy Easter. And I love that she included multiples of these because it's just a big time saver. You just run it through one time for each of the bag toppers, and just really, really cute. That one is so fun. This one here is a purse pillow box, and this one is the solid layer, the base layer for the pillow box, and it comes with some little zipper pull designs, little bows, a heart, and then back here is the zipper die there, and then this one cuts out all of the layering pieces for the pattern paper if you want to layer up the pillow box. Really cute. This one makes a really nice size treat box, and it's like a carrot shape or a triangle shape treat box, and once it's all assembled, it's really big. It holds quite a few treats, and again, it comes with a little bunny feet there. This piece here can be used to layer, or you can also use it to cut out like a window in the box, and then once you back it with acetate, you can kind of see what's in the box. Really cute. And of course the little bunny or rabbit design there. And this one here creates a 3D gift box, and I love the way it closes up, a little bit different. So this one is really, really fun. And I love this one. I was so excited to see this one. It's the bunny gumball machine, and you can create a shaker gumball machine. It's so cute, such a fun size, and I love that she's thought of adding so many other little accessory pieces to create the shaker bits. You can cut out little Easter eggs, carrots, or little rabbits to add as shaker bits inside the gumball. And just all her layering pieces are just perfectly thought out. I love that she included the crosses too for Easter blessings. So super cute. Thank you so much, Erica. So fun. So let me go ahead and share. The first one that I cut out was the telephone, the retro telephone, and I did share this on Instagram. A couple days ago. And I didn't make it into a shaker, so you can also just make it you know, like this, not a shaker, and it's still super cute, but I'll definitely be trying out a shaker with this one. And I just used pattern paper and a Valentine's Day theme. I used pink glitter paper for the outline. I had another die in my stash that I just got in. I'll link it in the description box, but it worked out perfectly for the little rotary dialing thing on the telephone. And then I did layer that on some foam, added a rosette and this little Valentine word, some bling, and some little beads off to the side. So love that one. And then of course I had to cut out these little bunny tail bag toppers, and I just did them in white, kind of very traditional and plain, but sometimes I like to do that. And then once I put it on a project, I think I'll add like a Happy Easter sentiment or tag or personalize it. Or I can even add some ribbon up at the top here, or pom-pom trim. So here's this one in pink, and again, just really simple. Added some little beads, and then the little fluffy tail, and some bling. And then this one I made in blue, and just some little beads, and pretty much the same. This is the larger one, and I thought I really like the way this one turned out with the little shaker bit on the base there, and just a fluffier pink tail. So these are so fun. And then I made a couple of the pillow box purses. So this one here, I was playing around with different ways to make it. I decided to make this one into kind of an open little purse, and I cut off the front handle here so you can kind of peek in and see what's inside. And I added a little charm dangle like the purses have, with the little keychains, pom-pom keychains, and some little charms there, and beads, a little XOXO, and a bow. And I think it's so cute. And then I did adhere this side, but this side's still open to add goodies. So yeah, there's that one. I thought it was just so cute. I love that paper too. It's from Recollections from Michaels this year. And then here's another one. This one I ended up gluing both of the handles together, and also the flap, but again, still open to add the goodies on the side. And just use different pattern paper. This one says love. Added a nice gold bow. And there's that one. And then for my last project share, last but not least, I really love the way these turned out. So these are the carrot little treat boxes, and as you can see, they're such a good size. Let me move some of this out of the way. Okay, so it's pretty big, and it would fit a lot of treats. So for this one here, I decided to make it open, and I cut off this part here on both of the sides. And then once I glue these together, I'll probably just use like a little cellophane bag with treats and put that in there. And I just used some pattern paper that I had in my stash, and a little bow for the bunny there. The Happy Easter is from the bag topper set. And then I added a couple little flowers there, and then I thought it would be cute to have like the bunny trail feet going up the treat bag. So there's this one. I really did have fun with this one. I think it's so cute. So let me see if it'll stay for you. There you go. So there's that one. And then I made one in blue. So for this one here, instead of cutting off the section here, the whole top section, I just cut off the little rabbit head on the sides. So I think I like this better. And so once you are going to fill it up, the flaps can go down, and then once you adhere the top, then it's a little bit more closed off and secure. So this one I made in blues, blue and yellow. This is going to be for my son, and I just did the little bunny feet up at the top with the fluffy tail, and here's that layering piece, so cute. And then I just added some little confetti there, and again the Happy Easter on the bottom part here. So there's both of those and all the little projects I created. I hope you like what I've shared, and here is the website for Erica's shop, scrapdivadesigns.com. So definitely check her out. Really fun dies, and I know she sells out really quick. So yeah, let me know, guys, in the comments what you think of all of these little projects, and check out the description box for more information. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.